Good morning, babies. Oh, this is my babies. This is the work of my babies. Sleeping while I'm sleeping too. Oh, Ming Ming is here. Hi. It's already 9 o'clock, I think, baby. Ming? Oh, you stand, Ming. Maybe you're hungry. Yeah. So, good morning, everybody. Where is Milky Boy? Ming Ming only and chocolate is here. Okay. Elki! Very nice place, chocolate. Nice place. While Ming Ming also is very nice place. Wait, you were here. You were here. How are you? Where did you sleep? I thought you sleep beside me. Huh. Okay. That is your place, really. You like there. You like there, but you did not sleep there. Huh? Why you're there, baby? So Mingming is here. This is our morning. And that is our babies. He knows that I'm taking a video on him. As Mingming is just relaxing. You see, very warm here. I love it. Almost winter. It's a cold time. And then the boy there is just, don't care about you there. Wanna sleep here. Actually, the mirror is just there. I don't want to include in my video the mirror because I just woke up. My face is like very amazing. Okay, guys, this is our morning and have a nice day, everyone. Please do like and subscribe my little video. I love you guys. Bye.